Hey guys, welcome to JDUB-Woodworks. So today I've got this old piece of Cypress that I got from a friend I just recently met, and she shares a passion for driftwood and just nature's lumber, right? And so you've seen in some of my other videos, when you're working with an older piece like this that's super hard, it's got really deep grooves. See all those in there? Hard to get that with a sander if you want to bring it to this beautiful finish that we're going to do. I usually use a grinder and I use these little attachments here. You can get these on Amazon. This is cheap. I got, I don't know, 2 or 3 different heads with this. And it just gives a little shave and a haircut. And then I go back with the sander and get it nice and pretty. So this will be a cool video. So stick around, watch the final reveal, and let's go make a mess. Okay, Reppy, here you go. So you can see there's going to be some tough spots in there. I'm just trying to kind of open this up a little bit. So I took some off here so I can actually get any kind of device in here. But you can see the beautiful colors already. And I think I'm going to leave some of this gray in these deep cuts right here. I kind of like that. So I think Remy will too. So anyway, you can see how that's coming along. I'm going to continue to work the grinder, and then I'll switch to a drill with a grinding device on it as well. Cool, looking good. Yeah, you can see what we did at the top here, and I'm trying to keep the regular shape, right? So I don't want to take too much of this off, but I'm just going to keep it. Once I start sanding, this will get super smooth. This is looking pretty good in here. I've got some real tight spots back on this side, so I'm going to go ahead and start working on those. All right, so what you're starting to see now is that the gray is disappearing, right? That old weathered wood. This is still super rough all over. I'm actually going to go ahead and start sanding now, and then I can always come back with the grinder again if I have to. But I think we're in a good spot for sanding, so I'm going to capture a little bit of that. I'm going to start. I believe this is an 80 grit. An 80 grit sandpaper. So if you're doing a project like that and after you use the grinder, this is, you know, a 60, an 80, that's about where you want to be. So. Anyway, you get the idea. I gotta charge my phone. This is where I'll be for the next, I'd say 2 hours, and we'll pick back up after that, okay? All right, this piece is very, very smooth. Gorgeous piece. Got some great color. And then I'm gonna go and hit this with a compressor. Get these little holes cleared up. You know, I like to leave it a little bit rough in some places just because, you know, sometimes that's how I am. I'm rough some places, and other places I'm pretty smooth. But at any rate, let's go put some air on this and some tung oil and call this this one done. Okay, so I have already put the compressed air on this guy. I'm going to use this product here. This is a pure tung oil from Walrus Oil. It is a fantastic product. I've got the link in the description. This company is really awesome. So I'm going to give this a good shake. And I've just got some small little cloths here. And again, there's some rough spots on here, which I'm fine with. But you're fixing to see beauty restored, right? Let's see here. Here we go. And it's cold, so I'm trying to keep that in mind. Oh yeah, man. Look at that pretty color. Wow. Well, that is nice. I need to move. I think I need to move this. Hold on a second. You're not getting a good, the light's not good right here in the garage. So give me a second. There. That's better. I've actually still got some in this little container, same product, but this will make it easier. Ooh, wow, this is where it gets so much fun. All that hard work, right? Finally paying off, getting done. My goodness, this thing's pretty. Pour a little bit more in here. I'll tell you what's interesting is when you're doing a piece for somebody else, it's a little nerve-wracking actually. You know, especially a piece that someone's held on to for 30 years, which I know she has. That just makes me nervous, right? Oh, wow. I knew this little core right here would be gorgeous, and it is. I mean, it is turning out so amazing. Look at that. Just gorgeous. Now with the Walrus oil, the tung oil, you can do multiple coats, but you need to let it completely soak in and dry. I believe for this particular product, they suggest 24 hours. And then you can come back with another coat, let that dry, so on and so forth, and just keep working the material, or keep working the product into the wood, which we are doing. So I'm gonna finish putting all this on a time lapse, and then we'll do a final reveal, I guess maybe tomorrow morning. I'll let it sit overnight and make sure that I've got plenty of this. I'm just in love with this piece. She's gonna be so happy. It's coming to you. And I don't know about tomorrow, but I'll try, right? Yeah, I'll probably do it tomorrow because I'll be too excited. Well, this one's in the books, y'all, so look at that. Turned out phenomenal. Reppy, this is for you. I hope you enjoy this. I hope you hang it or put it on a coffee table or something, but it was well worth the time to get this done for you. And listen, y'all, if you like what you see, if there's anything that you'd like to comment about, please do give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. We're growing the channel. I'm having a blast doing it, and meeting some great people along the way. So y'all have a blessed day and hook 'em horns. Woo!